It's really timely that we see how can we help develop broadband, especially in the rural areas in the least developed countries. Broadband is essential really for economic development, education, health, etc. And I think of it actually as essentially a human right. And if we can find ways to help really the development and the rollout of broadband, I think that will help a lot of people. Frankly, it is the private sector which we're going to develop and build, and that's what's expected anyway. But we also need the assistance of the governments in the sense of sorting out the regulation, make it easier for people to creating the right environment for investment. That's the role of governments, and of course it's a business role now to build and run such businesses. That's why it's a partnership. We need to be more flexible. There's no one size fits all, but in general there is certain principles. We recognize the importance of this, recognize the partnership between the two sides, the need to improve regulation, taxation, need to allocate frequencies when it is needed, spectrum for rolling out of such service, highlighting, and of course also providing case studies where it has been. We need to learn from each other instead of reinventing the wheel every time. So it's useful really to come together here to really hear what we have to say about all this and see what's the sort of most effective route in order to accomplish what we hope to do here. I think there have been already some considerable developments, and we have some concrete proposals now to move forward. It's going to be a long-term task, but I think we're progressing well and moving forward, and I really wish to thank both the ITU and the UNESCO really for adopting this. I think that was quite useful. Well, we'll have to take our agenda forward, and there's going to be, I think, a wider meeting also, because the meeting will take place in Geneva during the big telecom exhibition and conference. So there'll be a large number of business people and government people. So it will be useful really to exchange ideas and expose them to the result of our work so far. So we look forward to that meeting.